Very warm welcome to the botany class. Dear students, today we are going to continue chapter 1 in botany, asexual and sexual reproduction in plants, in which types of ovules. In the previous session, we discussed structure of an ovule, which is also known as megasporangium, in detail. Various parts of the ovule was discussed, and you may remember inside the ovule the embryo sac is found. Embryo sac is also called as female gametophyte. In the coming class, we are going to discuss female gametophyte also. Let us start. In this session, dear students, we are going to discuss an important title called Types of Ovules. The ovules are classified into 6 main types based on the orientation, form and position of the micropyle, and with respect to the funicle and the chalaza. We know that funicle is called stalk of the ovule. Integuments which leave a small opening in the ovule is called micropyle. Opposite to the micropyle is called chalaza. Ovules are classified into 6 different types, students. What are they? First, orthotropous ovule. Second, anatropous ovule. Third, hemianatropous ovule. 4, compylotropous ovule. 5, amphitropous ovule. 6, succinotropous ovule. These are the 6 different types of ovule classified based on the orientation, form and position of micropyle. Let us start the first one, orthotropous ovule. See, in this type of ovule, dear students, micropyle is at one end, which is called a distal end. If you observe in this orthotropous ovule, where micropyle, funicle, this is the micropyle, funicle and chalaza. Chalaza region is over here. So all the 3 important structures, micropyle, funicle and chalaza, which lie in one straight vertical line. Hence, this type of ovule is called as orthotropous ovule. Where we can see these types of ovule? This type of ovule is seen in Piperaceae members and Polygonaceae members. So members of Piperaceae and Polygonaceae, where you can see orthotropous types of ovule. Next is, can see the picture very clearly, micropyle, funicle, chalaza, all which lying on the same straight line, which is in vertical. Now, anatropous ovule. This type of ovule, if you observe, the body of the ovule becomes completely inverted. The micropyle and the funicles, which are come to lie very close to each other. This type of ovule which you can see in dicots and monocotyledon plants. The next type, the third one, which is hemianatropous ovule. Hemianatropous ovule. In this type of ovule, the body of ovule is placed transversely. You might remember, in orthotropous ovule, the ovule is mostly vertical in line, in which micropyle, chalaza, funicle which lie on straight line, but here it is transversely placed and right angles to the funicle. So when you observe, the funicle is right angle to the ovule which was transversely placed. Example, Primulaceae. The fourth type, Comphylotrophous ovule. See the picture, it's totally differ because the embryo sac is slightly curved. This type of ovule, body at the micropylar end is curved and showing more or less bean-shaped structure. So more or less bean-shaped structure which you can see in Compylotropous types of ovule. In this type of ovule, where the embryo sac is slightly curved, the three important structures such as hilum, micropyle and chalaza are adjacent to one another. Adjacent means what? Nearby. With the micropyle which oriented towards the placenta. Placenta is generally the tissue which connects or attach ovules on the ovary. This Compylotropous ovule is commonly seen in Leguminosae members. Fifth one, Amphitropous types of ovule. In this type of ovule, if you observe, the distance between the hilum in the ovule and the chalaza is less. The distance between the hilum and the chalaza in this type of ovule is very less. More or less, that means it is closer. The curvature of the ovule leads to the formation of horseshoe-shaped nucellus. So nucellar tissue is become horseshoe-shaped. More or less C we used to say. English alphabet C, which found in Alcimataceae. Then last one, the last type of ovule which is called Sarcinotropous ovule. Sarcinotropous ovule, sarcino it does mean coiled structure. In this type of ovule, funiculus is very long. You can see the stalk of the ovule is very long, which surrounds the ovule. Hence it is called Sarcinotropous. Look like a coiled spring. This type of Sarcinotropous ovule is seen in Cactaceae. So let us back to the class, children. In this session, you discuss about different types of ovule, which are classified into 6 main types based on the orientation, form, and the position of the micropyle, funicle, and chalaza. What are the 6 types? Once again, Arthrotropous ovule, Anatropous ovule, Hemianatropous ovule, Compylotropous ovule, Sarcinotropous ovule. So in this session, we discuss 6 different types of ovule. Once again repeating, Arthrotropous ovule, Anatropous ovule, Hemianatropous ovule, Compylotropous ovule, Amphitropous ovule, and Sarcinotropous ovule.